Which of these business problems is one that an IBM EMM product solves? Option A. Database throughput. Option B. Staffing requirements. Option C. Event detection. Option D. Sales forecasting. The correct answer is option D. What is one of the main competitors for IBM's EMM offerings in the marketplace? Option A. Teradata. Option B. Industry trends. Option C. Open analytics. Option D. Net trends. The correct answer is option A. What can an IBM customer do with the Unica EMM solution? Option A. Marketers can plan, design, execute, measure, and analyze multi-wave, cross-channel, and highly personalized marketing campaigns. Option B. Marketers can rationalize marketing costs as associated to ROI value of their marketing campaigns. Option C. Marketers can create marketing adware that targets IBM customers automatically from the IBM marketing catalog. Option D. Marketers can create a list of select services that SOA application services will interact with in their marketing campaigns. The correct answer is option A. How does Coremetrics interact with other products? Option A. Coremetrics does not interact with other products. Option B. Coremetrics uses IBM middleware SaaS products to interact with other products. Option C. Coremetrics is a software service and can be called by other products. Option D. Coremetrics supports communication with other products using a shared data source. The correct answer is option C.